So welcome to another video. Thanks for joining me today. Tony's over here opening the doors up to the shop. Now, there's been a lot of work going on, and me and Matt's got a lot coming Thanksgiving. Lots of content down here. I wanted to show you something. Tony was actually moving, and he couldn't take something with him. You probably heard about, stuff like that from people you know. Sometimes you move and you just can't take everything, can you, Tony?
No, you cannot.
So, Tony gave me a really good deal. Now, I don't know what I should do with this bike. Let me know in the comment section. Yes, it's a motorcycle. I just ruined the supplies. That is. It must be a CB750. I'm not sure. I think it's an 85, 87 model. Ran the VIN to it. Man, have to get a rebuilt title and stuff, but title's dead. But, yeah, simple in Kentucky. Titles, ones you got ownership papers, documentation where you build it, and the title's dead and stuff like that. It's easy to get rebuilt titles in the state of Kentucky. They have to be inspected. You can't just go get one that's not road ready, so you got to put your money, time in it, and all that good stuff. But anyway, let's check it out, and you can tell me what you think we should do with it. This is the bike. It was a custom bike. Tony tried to fix it. He's working on it, but with a family and everything, and he had to get a new place to move to. He wasn't able to do much of anything with it. Now, he said it did run, but it had a major wiring issue. Somebody's been into the wiring, and Tony tried to figure it out. But from what I can tell, the harness is it's in pretty rough shape once you get under this tank and stuff. I don't think this is a factory tank for this bike either. Pretty sure this is like a Nighthawk style bike, the CBs, especially this year. Not 100%, don't hold me to that, but it does got a good profile to it, the way it's set up. Would make a good calf racer bobber build. Very nice bike. It's dark in here too. We still ain't got power turned on. Very soon. Everything's got to happen a little at a time. You can't just cost money and none coming back in and then you be broke, and then, you got to get everything done, sofa up, and then get the power turned on. Because we got to have money coming in at this shop down here, to keep the power on. We can't just turn it on and then next day they come cut it off, because we didn't pay the power bill. That's the engine, carburetors. I did get a bucket of parts with it. Everything looks factory. So I want to know, should we build a calf racer out of this bike? Try to fix it, do some content videos on it, or would you like to see more of a disassembly video type videos of how to uninstall everything on this year bike? How to remove everything. My how-to videos do really good. Or would you try to see a build series? Because I can just disassemble this bike and just part it out. Because there are a lot of parts here that somebody's building one of these bikes couldn't need. Because I don't need this. I honestly don't. You see the projects we got. But I don't care to keep it because, it looks good. So let me know. Build videos. How to take stuff apart videos. Maybe we could take the motor apart, rebuild it, stuff like that. I don't know what to do with it. This seat is custom too. I wish it was a factory Nighthawk. I love the Nighthawk series bikes. You ever seen a Nighthawk, Tony?
Yes, I have.
Oh, I have one. I loved it. But yeah, it's a step up from the little V-Star 250 we built on the channel. Now, I built tons of bikes before I started my channel. And I think I did a couple more besides the V250. We did some modifications on a lot of bikes and stuff. But once we get the shop up and going to be tons more content on this and the four-wheelers. You will see the 700 Raptor. You get to see the 400EX. Tony, you don't even know if 400EX we got.
No, that's first for me.
Yeah. Do you know where two 700 Raptors too up there?
I think it was one.
They won. They actually two with they two 700s. I'm thinking about letting Matt build one.
And you build the other.
And then I finish building the other one. But yeah, That stuff that we ain't got time to mess with. We don't ride four-wheelers and they on back projects.
Yeah, that's the truth.
Now this is more of the shop stuff if y'all interested in seeing what we got going on. 2 cherry pickers, the lay, sandblasters, tool kits, pots for the, yeah, you all ain't seen that, have you? You might have. Engine box, we need to situate everything. 3rd gen Kamal, 9-bolt, we're in. Yes, that is hard to find. The 9 bolts, Posi-Trax unit for a 3rd gen Firebird or Kamal. That's a T5 over the LS engine, 400 blocks, 350 block, 480s. You know, a lot of this is mine and Matt's stuff. We got one engine here that is Cray Messa's. We're going to have to actually take it to him. You know, he's been needing to pick it up for 4 months now, but he's a friend. You know, friends usually, you know, we give them, you know, time to get stuff. Sometimes it might take a year or 2, but they'll eventually get it. Pipes to the back, got to move them over there. This is the CK hone. Ain't fired it up yet. We got 3-phase converters being built as we speak so we can get power and everything. This thing is going to be moved over here so we can make something on the roof here to haul engines. This is the Blockmaster model 85-B that we picked up in the other video. I think we got 10 to 12 grand in this, maybe 10, 7 grand maybe in this. Don't hold me to it. 6,500 probably after everything, gas and all, taxes. You know, we have around 7 grand in that. We're going to have to upgrade the pulley system. One of the things, so it will spin faster. You know, it does good with aluminum right now, but it could do better in upgrading that little gear, whichever one it is. I don't know much about these. It will help out a lot. Matt runs machine equipment every single day. He does block work, he does head work, sleeve works. He knows how to work at stuff. I don't. I'm just winging it. So once he gets everything set up in here, and he can teach me how to run these machines, teach you how to run them, because you might be wanting to do this at your house. Maybe start you a small machine shop business in your town. Maybe they ain't one around local. And these older machines is affordable. And if you go get you a business loan, you know, you can buy some of these older machines at a very good deal. But now if you're trying to do it out of pocket, you need some savings. You need to commit to it and save. You know, if it takes you half a year to save 7 grand to get one of these, then save it, because in your town, I guarantee that this Hones and Boys Motors, that this shaves heads and blocks, that you will need tons and tons of customers that needs their heads shaved. You know, the engine heads and stuff, because they warp with aluminum. Before you can reinstall them, it's always best to have them shaved. So your money's going to be in this machine before it is on the boring engines. So if you're just getting started, this will be the one to invest in. You can pick them up pretty reasonable like we did this, and it came with a bunch of extra stuff. So that's pretty much what's going on in the shop. I can show you the other rooms, but they ain't really much in them. A piano in that one over there. We're going to be remodeling the bathroom come Thanksgiving week. We're going to add a walk-in shower, and I'll probably be remodeling my office bathroom too. Well, I'm going to do a walk-in shower in here, because I must be getting old or something, because last week I was in the bathroom and I went to step out of the shower. You know, I got a tub too, because, you know, it's built in the 70s and I grew up poor, so we got one of those combo bathrooms from the 70s that made out of fiberglass that's got the tub, and you step in it and it gives, because there ain't no bracing and it's old. And it's got a shower too. So I'll probably do an overhead shower and a walk-in, because I'm a shower person. But the step over part, well, must have been soap or something on my foot, because I fell. My hand hung out of the tub like this. My head hit something, and then my knee went down so hard I bruised my knee, and it's swollen actually right now, still purple. And I thought I fell through the bathtub and was laying underneath the house, because we got like a crawl space, you know. I thought I went clean through the tub. I hit so hard. So that's coming out. I'm remodeling that. That's probably going to be about, I don't know, a week's worth of content. Watch me remodel a bathroom, and then watch me and Matt try to do this in about 3 days. Because we're doing a walk-in shower and total remodel. Well, let me just show you the bathroom. I'm rambling on. You need a visual of what we remodel. See, it says restroom here. I'm gonna. So we ain't got no shower. We do got a commode. We got a sink. We got some little cabinets. We're gonna remodel this whole thing. We need a hot water heater. It's dead. I'm pretty sure. If not, it's gonna be dead because that thing's old. Oh, all you see is just money being spent. Oh, that makes me. Money's hard to come by in this economy right now too, and trying to open up a shop and do everything we're doing, and between the projects and bills and keeping upkeep on vehicles, you know, it gets expensive. It's hard. Life is hard right now on everybody. Now you might see somebody that's like, oh, he's doing good, you know, and think he's like, oh, this and that. But truth of the matter is, he's probably just very scraping by, and he's probably stressed. Because I'll tell you, this is a lot of stress. It just takes so much anymore. It's outrageous. Inflation is outrageous on everything. And as I said before, upkeep. Most people got one daily driver. I'm going to tell you, you need at least 2. And if you're working for yourself, you're going to need, you know, at least a work vehicle, a backup vehicle, and a daily. So that's 3 vehicles you need. And if you got equipment, you got to keep equipment up. You know, if you got bulldozers, I don't have no bulldozers. But if I did, I sure it'd be stupid expensive because Robex is. So, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think we should do with this bike. I'm rambling on, but thanks for watching. Oh, I'll show you the 1200 sports stuff because we got to move it down. I'll make a video on it soon. Hot pocket over there. I don't know what I'm going to do with that neither. It needs moved anyway. But yeah. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. Also, check my eBay store out. It's in the comment section, not comment section, the description below. That'll be something I know you want. And it helps support me. You help support me by watching this video. You help support me by commenting. Thank you. I appreciate it. I really do. Thanks.